What is a sidebar in a courtroom trial? Imagine being in a busy courtroom where everyone is focused on the case. Suddenly, the judge and lawyers step aside for a quick chat away from the jury and spectators. That's what a sidebar is. It is a private conversation between the judge and attorneys, usually held near the judge's bench. The purpose is to discuss legal issues without influencing the jury or courtroom observers. During a trial, attorneys might want to object to evidence or ask about a tricky legal point. Instead of making a public scene, they request a sidebar by saying, "May I approach the bench?" If the judge agrees, both sides can speak freely. This keeps sensitive matters out of the jury's view and preserves fairness. Sidebars are often used to handle objections to evidence or questions. For example, if the prosecutor wants to introduce evidence the defense objects to, they can ask for a sidebar. The judge then listens to both sides and decides if the evidence can be shown to the jury. This process helps keep the trial moving smoothly without unnecessary interruptions. In the context of objecting in court, sidebars are very helpful. When an attorney objects to a question or evidence, they can use a sidebar to explain their legal reasoning to the judge. This way, the judge can decide on the objection without revealing the details to the jury, which might influence their decision. Sidebars also help prevent the jury from hearing potentially confusing or prejudicial information. They allow the judge to clarify legal points quickly and fairly. This keeps the trial fair and focused on the facts that are truly relevant. Practically, sidebars save time because they avoid having to pause the entire trial or remove the jury. They are usually brief, lasting just a few minutes. However, judges must balance their use so they don't disrupt the flow of the trial too much. In summary, a sidebar is a private chat between the judge and lawyers during a trial. It helps resolve legal issues quickly and fairly, especially when objections are raised. It keeps sensitive discussions out of the jury's hearing and ensures the trial stays on track.